I am so excited to announce that I am going to be hosting a painting retreat in France in June of 2024. We will be staying in a beautiful 19th century chateau, exploring and painting the landscape as well as some towns in that area. And we will be focusing on seeing and painting values, painting light and creating atmosphere, and I will be teaching to the group as well as one-on-one. This retreat is open to artists at any skill level. We will have 8 days to get to know each other, to learn some of these valuable lessons in watercolor, and really get unplugged from our day-to-day life and spend some time being inspired, painting, collecting reference photos, and really going deeper in this craft that we are passionate about. This is hosted through a company called UpTrek. Transportation, amenities, location, all of that is nailed down. The whole thing really sounds like a dream, and I'm really excited. And to be able to do this in such a beautiful place with rich history, culture, and food, I really think it's going to be the experience of a lifetime. If you are interested and you want to secure your spot, you can follow the link down below. I hope to see you there.